21st century's fast lifestyle is giving us lots of opportunities for better living, but at the same time, spectacles sometimes becomes a hindrance and affect the quality of lifestyle. LASIK is a procedure which has come in since the past few decades and has changed the way the people see and live. It has given them a huge amount of freedom in terms of freedom from glasses and freedom from contact lenses, which is making them possible to do more tasks at the comfort without having to wear the glasses. When we advise LASIK or when people consider LASIK, one of the most common questions that is being asked by our patients is, will I have pain? Or do we have experienced pain during the LASIK surgery itself? Welcome to Let There Be Vision podcast. This is Dr. Sirish Nelivigi, ophthalmologist and eye surgeon in Bangalore with you. And I am here to answer your queries, and this is one of the large number of queries that we get whether people experience pain during LASIK surgery. In order to give an answer to this question, let me clarify the pain into two parts: the actual pain and discomfort. So coming to the pain, is there pain during LASIK surgery? The straight answer to that is no. Do we have discomfort during the cataract surgery? The answer is maybe yes in some of the patients. To elaborate this answer further, the pain during surgery can happen during a small step where we hold the eyeball using vacuum. So we use vacuum and then hold the eye tight so that the eye does not move during the surgery. Whether it is the process of flap creation mainly or creation of a tunnel as in smile surgery, we hold on to the eye tightly so that the movement is obviated or not there. It is this procedure or this process which can cause some amount of pain for the patients. Even this process is not so painful. The pain is extremely minimal and can be termed more of a discomfort rather than pain. Coming to the second point which I was talking to about having discomfort during the surgery. The answer I said is maybe some of the patients can have discomfort. Why does the discomfort come? The discomfort happens again because the eye is held tightly, and during that process we create a flap on the eye. So this process of flap creation can cause some amount of discomfort. The second thing is when the LASIK is being done, there is bright light being projected from the above. This bright light can obviously create discomfort to the people. Third thing is when the surgery is being done, there is continuous irrigation of fluid during some of the steps of the surgery. This process of irrigation with the fluid can cause discomfort to the patients. All these processes are covered by something called as topical anesthesia. We give anesthesia by process of eye drops, and this eye drop is usually more than sufficient to take care of any pain that happens during the surgery. So what to expect during the LASIK surgery? Not so much of a pain, but more of discomfort in some of the steps of the surgery is what you can expect. I hope this clarification is good enough for you to understand what is the balance between the pain and discomfort and what is the extent of pain that you need to face. This brings us to the end of our podcast. For free resources and materials for eye-related diseases, conditions and information, head over to www.nelivigieyehospital.com. I hope you found this podcast particularly useful. We look forward to having you join us again next week for another existing podcast of Let There Be Vision. Thank you so much for listening, and it's me, Dr. Sirish Nelivigi, signing off.